What's up, YouTube? How y'all doing this morning? I don't know if you can tell, it's 29 degrees out here. Sun's starting to peek over the tree there. But I'm on this old Freightliner M2. I don't even know what year it is. But about to swap the air compressor. Air compressor's leaking. She down in that hole right there. Yeah, she gonna be fun. But we got a new one. Basically what I've done is getting this right here out of the way. I'm gonna get the old pump reservoir, power steering pump out of the way. I'm gonna get probably the fuel filter, several things out of the way. Draining the coolant right now down there in the bottom. Draining some of the coolant out. Got to get it down. It didn't have a lot in it. That's one reason we're changing the air compressor, because it's leaking coolant. But we getting there. I mean, I'm on it. It's really tight fit. I mean, this job ain't for just anybody. I mean, it's a lot to it. But I'm just basically showing y'all what I'm doing here. I mean, it's a lot to it, but just showing y'all what I'm getting into. I already got all the fittings over there. Hell, power steering, fuels everywhere, power steering pump. I mean, hell, here's the new ones. Got the new fittings on it. Everything's looking pretty good as far as how it's going. Things seems to be all right. But basically what was going on was with this one right here, leaking water right here, you couldn't get the head off without removing the whole unit anyways. So we think this was the original one, so basically we decided to change it all. But all right, y'all, so I'm gonna get back to it here. Try to get this thing back together. Do some cleanup in there. Yeah, she's lovely. The old Cummins. All right, y'all, I'm out here finishing up. So we got her all back in. She's looking good. I got some new filter on there. Got her primed down. Got all this crap back together. I had a little water leak that they had before I ever got here, way back there. So I gotta put this bracket back on, and then I'm out of here. Once I put this bracket back on, there's a little bracket down here. I had to take that bracket off, fix that water leak. But yeah, she's in there. It's looking good. Everything turned out good. Running like a sewing machine. Did fix that little leak, sensor leak. They had a sensor leaking right there. And I put a new O-ring on it. And that's good. So I put that new O-ring on. Fired this thing up. The old truck was going. I was like, what the hell? But he said that's the way it is. He said it's done that all its life.